Hey, it's Dr. Hannah with this week's Hot Topic. Today I want to talk to you about why taking a cold shower as opposed to a warm shower or a hot shower is actually better for your health. So I know that's not the most appealing thing that you can think of in the morning, like, oh yay, let's get in the shower, but make it cold. But there is more health benefit if you shower in a cold shower versus a hot shower. So I'll explain a couple really quick reasons why a cold shower is better than a hot shower. So next time you're in the shower, maybe turn it down a little bit if you have the scalding hot water, or it's a little bit warm, make it a little bit cooler, and then hopefully you can get some of these health benefits. So first thing that a cold shower does is it increases our alertness. Usually when you have a cold shower, you notice that you take a deep breath in. When you take short, deep breaths, it increases the oxygen in your body. So your heart rate is going to start to slowly increase, which also helps blood flow. So that just helps generate more alertness. Second thing that cold showers do is actually refines your hair and skin. Hot or even warm water actually dries out our skin. So the cooler you have the shower is actually better for you because it's not going to dry out our skin that way. Plus it helps your pores just prevent any dirtiness or germs or anything that gets into it. So it just kind of leaves those open. The other thing it does is improves our immunity and our circulation. So when you get really cold, our bodies do this really neat thing where it protects our internal organs. And when all the blood flow goes to the internal organs, it actually is improving your circulation because your body's not having to fight where all your main organs are for that blood flow. So by having that cool water, it's going to take other things from like the not so necessary parts of our body, like our fingers and toes. Yet they are important, however, not as important to life as your main organs. So it's going to pool all the blood into those areas and just help you increase blood flow in more efficient ways. So that's also one thing cold showers do for you. It stimulates weight loss. I know as weird as this sounds, but you have two kinds of fat. You have the white fat and you have brown fat. And the white fat is more the fat that it's just fat, it's just there, it's not really good for you. It just accumulates when your body can't use it. But brown fat actually is good because your body can use that energy, it keeps us warm, and your body can actually use it. So you want more brown fat because that's the fat that your body uses and stores for energy, all those things. The white fat, not so much. So cool and cold water actually helps stimulate a little bit more of the brown fat. Now with that, usually when you take a cold shower and you're trying to stimulate weight loss, it's best to do it after exercising because it'll help decrease some of that muscle soreness and fatigue that you might have after a good workout. So it's just going to boost your muscle recovery, again, more or less because you're having more oxygen going to the muscles that you've just worked out. So it's a really good idea to have a cool shower after you've had a workout because it's got a couple benefits, like I said, the muscle recovery, soreness, and it also can produce more brown fat versus white fat. It also decreases our stress level. So how this works is it just makes you harden. So say for example, you just quick run into a pool or you run into the ocean and it's super cold and you're like, whew, I got this really cold sensation, but I'm just going for it. It actually makes our tolerance for stress, outside things, anything that's negative towards us, it actually boosts us up if you're used to having cold showers or cold water kind of splashed into you. It makes you more tolerant of things. So that's something else that you can kind of keep in mind. And the last thing that it does that most people may not realize, it actually helps relieve depression. So how this works is when you have a cold shower, it actually stimulates more electrical impulses that get sent to the brain. When you have more electrical impulses to the brain, it kind of produces this antidepressant effect along the system. So it's going to boost your mood, and it also is kind of like a pick-me-up. So that is just some really quick reasons why taking a cold shower or a cool shower is a little bit better for you rather than the hot shower or the warm shower. So next time you get into the shower, try turning it down a little bit. I'm not a huge proponent of just jumping into freezing cold water because you can get into other things like hypothermia, but I'm talking about make it cooler than a warm, and that hopefully you can have some of those health benefits that I just talked to you about. That's all I have for you guys this week. We'll see you guys next time.